Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Alright, so I think we got a new update here on the review. Let's see. This one by Baptista. Let's see. So our last comments were it's the reservation for the maps is missing in new codes. Let's move to add symbols. Matching what we do is PDP. It's mostly identical. Changes that I can see are names changed. Config, exe config. Config. Huh? Changes that I can see are the names changed. Config, exe config. It's mostly identical. I'm not sure if he I mean the JSON format itself. The JSON write out write JSON before you change, then after you change, and compare. What is different? Okay. Skip invalid symbols. Empty name. Would it make sense to have an empty name? PDP reader. Let's do execute. Oops. M add symbols to exe symbol. Let me see. Previously, can you check if there were empty names coming from PDB via can check if there were empty names coming from PDB via before coming from Thyme.pdb. Yeah, I think things look simple. Let's move to add symbols. Let's move to add symbols. I don't see this add symbols function here. Where is it? Maybe we need to load full file. How do we do that? Expand all. There we go. Add symbols. Okay, it is here. It is here. Yeah, okay. But load symbols. Okay, so he calls add symbols and they're inside of the reserves. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Let's move to add symbols. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe we can also thumbs up. Okay. Target objects. Let's look at this. Okay, update objects. Object skip if object already exists. Push back. Okay, update objects, and he calls it push back. Update objects. Okay, so he gets it and then he calls it. Okay, this is, I think, fair. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is fine. Update sections, update objects. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, it seems to be good. Yeah, don't try to update empty sections. Yeah. Okay, so I think in principle the change looks promising. I just have these two open questions about the JSON write-out. I need to know like what's the difference now. And yeah, this is a question. It's not a big question. Looks like it measure. Okay, then I make a thumbs up here. Yeah, okay, good. Then this is reviewed again. Reviewed again. Good. Let's get back to our code. So in the previous session, we have added the multi-selection box here and the drop down And this seems to all work. Maybe we should have a default selection on the first element. Let me see. Selected. Or maybe not. Maybe you don't. Maybe user has to explicitly click something, yeah. But I know if there's just one entry here, then might as well just select that, right? Like, what's the point here? You can only select this. So, yeah, maybe it should always select the first one automatically. Let's see. Select the... Basic storage. Basic storage. Let's see. Set selected ID. Swap. Set item selected ID. What is this ID? Let's see. Selectable. Selectable. Selection contains. So it's just ID here. Yeah. Selection. Okay, so I think we just pass this here. Let's rewrite this to this. So let's go to the constructor, which it currently does not have. File. All right. Okay. And then we say blah. Blah. So we say for this selection And then we say selection dot set item selected, and then imgui ID 0 true. Okay, so maybe this is sufficient to have a default selection at 0. Let's say compare. Okay, yeah, this has now 0 selected. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Same here and same here. Okay, yeah, I think that makes sense. Have the first default selected. Yeah. Okay, cool. Then I think we can merge this state so far. I don't see any big problems here left. Obviously, we still need to do something about the resizing. But yeah, we can deal with this another time. Also, do we really have to pass minus float max? Can't we just pass 0? Let's see. Looks the same to me. Okay, cool. Ta-da, ta-da. All right, great. And now let's make a change here, compare. Oh, this didn't update. Oh, okay, there is a problem. There is a problem. This somehow does not update. What is the problem? Let's see. So this is one file. Yeah, this looks unexpected, doesn't it? Here, name functions match info is still from game.dot, and we don't have the compiler bundles. Yeah. Okay, something went wrong here. Uh-oh. Something went wrong. So we still have some condition not quite right. Create. Oh, so many functions here. Load a compare, load and compare async. Here. Yeah, let's put a breakpoint here, and let's do it again. Compare. Right. And compare. Okay. So what did go wrong? So we have load file count as 1 because it's the same file. Right. I think the problem is that here we need to use 2 here. Yeah. I think that's the error. We need to put the 2 here. Why did was this one there? Huh. Let's think this through one more time. We certainly want to check both. If 0 or this force rebuild mesh function, when at least one of the file needs to be loaded first or has changed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then we can async loading. Then let's move these guys down here. Okay. Okay, this might be good now. Yeah, let's see. Good, so we compare this. Yeah, okay, this looks proper. And now we compare Thyme against Thyme, same against same. And it has updated. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, cool. Then next step, we will submit this, I think. Yeah. Don't see any more issues with what we have right now. Let's compare this. Yeah. Let's compare this. Yeah. Okay. It just works. It just works. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Then close that. And I think there's still some commented code here. Okay, let's go down here. Then we delete this one here. And that should be good. Count. How about we rename this to count as well? Some consistent names here. Count. Okay, so add filter for bundles list, and here we have another to do. Add clippers, yeah. But yeah, we can do this later, optimizations and minor improvements. We first need to get the core functionality up and running. Good. All right, so we changed that. We added this stuff. We added these functions and the constructor here. Added this, yeah. Okay, fair. Program comparison descriptor. Get selected bundle type. Compile and source file. Get selected bundle type. Yeah. Type. Looks good. Here we did another bug fix. Yep. Well, hold on. I think we should merge this one here into our previous change. Properly rebuild function bundles when recomparing, because this is just another fix for exactly that same thing, right? Okay, let's amend this commit. And that means that now here it has this inside as well. Yeah. Okay. Good. Here we added a count. Functions will be bundled into one. Yeah. Count. Okay. File. That. By the way, there's probably another consideration. Match bundle type. Here, count 3. Must change, update conditions. Was there any other place with none? None. Here. Count 3. There we go. Good. Then we can go back here. Count. Oops. All right. Right. Don't need that. Okay. So constructor. Yes. Let's make this larger. This looks good. To do, add clippers to listen tables. Yes. Draw comparison selection. We made a bunch of changes there. Yeah. Yeah. Draw compare button. Yeah, we basically just changed the indentation. That's about it. Here we removed the child. Yeah. Then we changed the way we draw the rows and columns. Yeah. Next row, and here's the new stuff. Yeah. And here we changed a bunch of things. Maybe we should rename this here as well. Hold on. GUI app. So here we named it file content table. Comparison selection. How about we call it file selection? You know what? I think file list was perfectly fine. File list table. Here we have file content table. Yeah, I think that's fine. That is fine. File list container. Hold on. File list table, file list container. Yeah, okay. And then file list. Maybe we call it file list box. List box. Yeah, this content table. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so file list table, file content table. Da, 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 da. Da. Yeah, looks good. So this we call add implement implement bundles selection GUI. Bundles selection GUI. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then let's get to the next one. So okay, so what we need to do now is we need to build a list of functions from the selections that we made on the bundles. How do we do that? Select the I wonder, is there a way to check if selection has changed? Selected. So if we do here, if selectable, selected, let's set it to true just so that we can put a breakpoint here. Okay. Okay, it's clicks here. Selected 3. 1. Okay, so a problem I saw is that when we first load it, we don't get a... We probably... Yeah. I think we need an update function that that rebuilds. So whenever a selection changes, we need to rebuild a container, a new vector of function indices and store it in the file. Yeah. Let's see. std array. No, std vector index t m selected functions. If we look here, selected functions, unmatched functions, matched functions. Okay, so we have matched functions, matched named functions. Okay, so there's now also the question, how do we treat unmatched versus matched? Do we have like a toggle to say, show me matched or unmatched? Do we show both at the same time, or what do we do? So I think what we need is selected matched functions. Selected matched named functions. Selected unmatched named functions. Yeah, like this. So these things we build. And then we also need a span const index t let me go to our Runner async. Let me see. Da, da, da. Span name function. Oof. Build comparison records for bundled functions options. Build comparison records. Okay, we did not expose those functions where we can pass a range. Here, the span. We have kept that internal because we thought we don't need it. But now, looking at this, we probably need that. Yeah. It gives the most flexibility because then we can select multiple bundles, then we select multiple functions, and then we can request to build things for these. Yeah. Build comparison records. I think the reason I made it for the bundles is so that the bundle can keep track of. Yeah, can keep track of this. Which function? Build comparison. Where's this comparison stored? Um, so matched functions. Comparison. Okay, so I think when we click a bundle, then it should start loading. Yeah. Okay, so the selected. Okay, so there will be different concepts. When we select the bundle, it will start loading on bundle level, but it will assemble a list of functions that we can use to render just specific matches. Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure. Name function bundle. I think we should also expose the versions with the span index. Yeah, because I mean, loading the stuff on bundle level, I think is not bad, but like to have really the least amount of processing and memory usage would be to just process the selected functions. So you could select just one function and it would select, it would then disassemble the matched pair, and that's it. So the least amount of work would be disassembling just two functions or just even one function, right? If you just select an unmatched function that just exists on one side. But if we do it on bundle level, then it disassembles stuff that is like, yeah, maybe it does more than it needs to. Like, let's say you select 5 bundles, but you're only interested in 5 functions in there, then but maybe it disassembled 200 functions, right? So it may do more work than you actually need, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's see. Span index T. What functions have this version? Disassemble has this. Build source lines. Load source lines. Build comparison records. Build comparison records. Yeah. I think we should expose this as well. And then maybe there could be 2 modes, like load the stuff on bundles level or load the stuff on function level. And if you do it on functions level, it only loads it really on demand when you click on the functions. Otherwise, when you click on the bundles, it already starts loading. So you could have this. And then there could be a third mode where you say, once you do the comparison, load everything already, right? Which would then take a moment, of course, but then you have everything ready. Otherwise, it does things as you click things, right? I don't know yet what would be better in practical terms, but if we maybe just provide all the options, then we just find what works best by using it, right? And making the right decision. But we can just like implement it in the way that everything, like all modes are supported. Yeah. Okay, then for this we need to expose some additional options and async operations, which shouldn't be a big deal. Okay. Okay, what's the time? 1 hour 8. Yeah, maybe it's a good time to take a break. Then next video we will add the new async functions. We already got the runner function, so it's just boilerplate we need to add on top. Not a big deal. And yeah, and then we can start implement this. Yeah, we will first implement the selection boxes for functions, bundles we already have, and then we implement the async operations when selecting the things inside. Yeah. Okay, that sounds good. We have a plan. All right, then. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.